that?
That's your Christmas present until you buy something that you want. Just tell me what you buy. Don't use it on bills. No, put it in towards the house, buy a present. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to buy these girls anymore.
They're women.
They can go buy a pair of pants, they can go buy a shoe. It's like two presents.
Bands. And
I don't want it.
And a shoot 'em gun.
Boom, boom. Oh, fun.
I already have a foosball table.
And that's what you said.
And it's a penguin.
I made it.
Hey, didn't you gotten that before? This is probably the same one.
I already have one.
Oh, wait, Caitlin,
Oh, they're for Neil and Caitlin.
I'm gonna play with Neil and Caitlin. Yay! Pool table and foosball. Okay.
Daddy, can we give you our present?
Does it work?
Nope.
Okay.
Not allowed.
Yeah.
Now what?
Daddy!
Pow, pow, pow.
Oh no, not another one. I don't want
Can I have one?
bedroom.
I made it for you.
There's a beer. This is where I can keep my money?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
What's inside of it?
Open it.
Is it a flashlight?
The hat light.
You put it on the grip.
I bet it's a panda. It's a panda!
Other way. Okay, yeah.
It goes on. It
Yeah,
goes underneath.
that's okay.
It goes underneath.
Like this.
Inside.
Ooh, deer hunting equipment.
He's excited. Yay!
Yay, I love packaging don't matter.
You know you're gonna
Cherry sours.
have fun playing with that Rock'em Sock'em with Ashley.
There's no instructions.
I know who wants
Look,
to
I'll be
use this one.
instructing.
Uh-oh, Dad's eating batteries again.
I got a cherry sour in my mouth.
Where's my wine? He's such a drunk.
I spent so much time getting you guys presents.
It works! It works! See, feel for real, no foofies. It works.
Oh, it's heavy.
Take this price tag off. Price tag. Okay, let's watch Dad open the rest.
I don't want to open no more. I already got everything I want. I don't want no more.
Just do it.
I don't want no more.
You don't have a choice.
Well, we got a game to play?
I don't like that.
That is four-wheeling. Oh, somebody wants to play beer pong?
We already did. You weren't here. Where were you?
We'll get ya. Is it all right and left?
Excellent.
What one is that one? Is that the blackberry?
Oh, is it the one I brought? Can I try it, Mom?
No, you're not allowed. You're only almost 23.
Oh, are we not?
Hey, what is that?
Oh, it is good.
I was convincing these people. That's my 23-year-old mistress.
How was that for you, Alicia?
I got grossed out.
Really? You're like, give me another drink?
No.
To turn on down a fire.
Keep it on Alicia.
I told everybody she molested me when she was 16.
Oh, did you know Neil?
You need to stop watching TV.
Scott.
Who's watching TV?
Scott. He don't
What about Neil?
They should have dressed up like
Did you guys know Neil's going to be a father?
Yeah. His girlfriend at La Play
Is pregnant.
is pregnant, and Neil fainted. He's like,
Yeah, he fainted and he goes like this.
yeah.
He just goes,
It's the older world. Yeah.
she's 20.
Yeah.
She goes, was talking to Heidi. Because yeah, I'm pregnant. Neil just falls over his chair.
He goes,
Hey, shouldn't have kissed her that good. You shouldn't have blown that kiss at her, huh?
I guess.
hey, Neil,
That'd have been
I want to know
have those on
No, he's
camera.
got one in each hand. That's what he's got two hands for.
Hey, Neil.
The one he's been eating too.
Neil,
Neil, are you going to be a dad?
is Megan pregnant?
She's going to have a baby?
He doesn't want to talk about it.
Yeah,
He's a little
he's
in denial. He's a little.
It's not mine. It's one on the Maury show.
Give me a 3. Give me a 3.
Hey, I helped a lot.
7.
Oh, we're blaming it all on Grandma.
Ashley?
Yeah, all on Grandma.
You mush cheap for you. Wait, no, that's on yours.
Oh, Ryan.
No more.
Neil, Neil.
A twisted basket.
Oh, like that, yeah. Ready?
Oh, I got, yeah.
You're not coloring?
Right, Megan's game time on TV.
Mickey. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah.
Woo!